What up, YouTube? Before this video kicks off, you guys can tell from the thumbnail and title of this video that it's not going to be monetized. So YouTube, let me show you something real quick. YouTube has been demonetizing all my ride videos, so it looks like that's the trend here on YouTube. So I got to rely 100% on the viewers. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, please consider becoming a patron. Link down below. On a side note, Stock to Not Season 2 will be kicking off very soon. And if you become a patron, you're automatically entered into the giveaway, so you have a chance of winning that Honda Grom I rode across country. All right, enough about that. Let's get to the ride video. Enjoy, guys.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to a pre-ride Grom Day video. Hey, look at your visor, man. That's dirty. So you guys saw the day ride, the day before Grom Day. We're now at the nighttime portion of it. So this is technically like the out-of-towner ride. Yeah, like 150 people gonna be showing up for this. So this ain't even the big event. That's tomorrow. But I have a feeling we're gonna get crazy tonight. We got Lewis here on my DRZ, which is still getting bump started because I think the stator's going bad or something. Electrical is drawing all the power. The new battery that we put in earlier today is completely dead. But Lewis wanted to ride that instead of his Grom. Give his wrist a little break for tomorrow. 5 gears? Yeah, 5. You can probably get thirds if you push it. Second will come up easy. What's up, man? Look at all the cop stage. That's where we're having the meetup tomorrow for Grom Day. There's 40 fucking cop cars there. Oh, that should be fun. Hey, did you see all the cops parked at the mall?
That's the police station.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're on the other side.
Oh, nice.
We're hiding in plain sight tomorrow.
Nice. We know where they all are. The police chopper's out tonight, YouTube. You guys are in for a show. Stick around. I'm gonna give you some goodness tonight, I think. In fact, while you're sitting there waiting for the police chopper to interact with us, why don't you hit that like? If you're not subscribed already, you know, smash that button too. I really appreciate it. Click bait, click bait, click bait. Bitch, make noise. Oh, the no-hander. Yeah. That's all I got. Let's try to catch up with him. Damn, look at this. Look at this fucking drag. Look at the tires on the back of this. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at that thing. Oh, shit. Lights are down. Oh, I smell that race fuel. It smells delicious. Good luck. I think right hand turn will. That's cool though. Alright, so we're just on the way to the... Oh, look at Steve-O. He got a leg up and everything. We're just on the way to a meetup location for this ride. We haven't even started the ride yet, just so you know. Oh, Lewis is up. Lewis! Dairy Queen! Dairy Queen! Let's go. He wanted Dairy Queen. The closest one was 30 minutes away. Hey, where's your oil? Oh, nice. Little baby bottle. This is the good kind, too.
Oh, yeah.
What number nipple is this? Alright, we're here. Oh shit, I need gas. What am I doing? 100% need gas. Well, here's the pre-ride. Where's Lewis? He needs gas. Damn. It's fucking bonkers. There he is. Alright, welcome to the pre-ride, YouTube. Hopefully you enjoy what we have in store for you today. That's not a Grom. Lewis! Lewis! Oh shit. Shit, we're going. I'll see you out there, bud. Little bit. Hey, I see a no loopies keychain. Hell yeah, bud. Alright. Hit that subscribe button, YouTube. Or at least a like. I'll take a like. Ugh. I want to get to the front. This is gonna be fucking too wild back here. What are these? I have no idea what that is. Someone lost a shoe. Fuck yeah. Hey, it's a little bit. I keep wanting to say little bitch, but I think it's little bit. Anyway, it's the famous. She cool. She's used to that big bike life. So man.
Last year I had the 110.
You what?
Last year I had the 110.
That you ran me over?
Yeah. No. We didn't run you over.
Okay.
I got a Grom finally.
Congrats, man. Looks like you're killing it.
Best decision ever.
Yeah. Damn, street fucking takeover here. Let's take some pictures. We got a nice little sunset. Gotta do a little bit photogramming early. Got Rookie Rebel here on his clapped out R3, whatever the fuck it is. Oh, that's dark. No, that's not gonna work. Bump that ISO all the way up. These fucking guys are scraping it in front of me and chicken winging it. I'm trying to fuck with ISO. Alright, we got the bridge now. Look at that sight, people. Sunset, wheels up as far as back as I can see. Fucking crazy. This guy is not even using his throttle hand to do his wheelie. Nice. What's up, Jeff? Hey, Jeff. Do something. Nice. My type of wheelie. Like, here's the cops. Oh, lighten them up. I think they're saying, stop that. Stop. Straight. I don't think they're turning around, but if they are, it's not going to work out too well. This group, I don't think this group cares much. Oh, Jesus, not again. Fucking one-handed. That's funny. They sent 2 cop cars. Oh, the chopper's up. Where's that guy at? Hiding up somewhere. Alright, I'm putting the camera away. Whenever the cops come, you gotta put the camera away. Things get hairy, you don't want that shit falling out. All your good photos, oh hey, all your good photos get fucking lost. And then what? People hit you up on Facebook, ask for photos, you tell them sorry, cops got it, go ask them. That's not fun. It's a sick rap. Oh, we're getting lit up. Oh yeah, they're following us, lights on. Yeah, we're getting lit up back there. Alright, let's see what happens. Steve-O! There you go. Let him by. He said thumbs down. What does that mean? Our wheelies are trash? He said thumbs down, wheelies. Oh shit. Oh. He said your wheelies are trash. Oh shit. He had his arm out the window with the thumbs down. Damn. Jacksonville savage. He gave you thumbs down on that wheelie. That's fucking awesome. See, that's why you don't panic when the cops turn the lights on. They could be just going to a call, or they just want to blast by and let you know that your wheelies are trash. Grom day, baby. As that guy pulling over taking video. Look at Adam up here in the front. Look at your boy. Oh, we got Evan up here too. Evan was upset I didn't get a lot of video of him last year, so where's Lewis? Said their wheelies were trash. Oh, the big bike showed up. A little bit. Hey, if you guys don't follow her on Instagram, link down below. She goes live from these rides, and she does a lot of these rides. You know what? I'm gonna go live for Instagram. I haven't gone live in forevers. Why not, right? I got some followers. There we go. Instagram at Photogromer. Go live every now and then. Crazy fucking ride so far, guys. Alright, whoa. Little Instagram live action there. Haven't done that in a minute, but I feel like it should be done every now and then. Enough of that shit. Oh, Trevor! What's up? Hi, bud. Scalp Industries over here. We got Tampa Grom squad members showing up mid-ride. This guy's, I don't know what he's doing, but it scared me. His Hawaiian shirt says he knows what he's doing, but hi, Zach. Hey, to Zach's girlfriend. He's right here. I've seen him. Oh, Jesus. Not expecting to scrape right there. Quick turn. Oh shit, we're going to the lot. We're bringing this many fucking hooligans to the lot. There's gonna be some stealthy stunners that are mad at this. Whole fucking ride goes to a stunt lot. Look at this site, guys. Boom. The whole fucking ride coming to the lot. Jesus. Holy shit.
The cops come and block us, and there's a back door on that way.
Okay, I'll just follow you. There's at least 150 people, maybe more. Look at a little kid on the back. Nice. I mean, start counting. 1, 2, 2, 3. Well, when you're at the lot, there's only one thing left to do.